Look at the stability over the hump at this angle.
Remarkable. It matches the predicted data perfectly.
The development investment has already exceeded the billion-dollar mark.
If this jumbo jet fails, the company goes with it.
The stringers provide critical longitudinal strength, as workers meticulously rivet these load-carrying components to the frames.
Check the schematic here. Does this align with the floor structure?
Yes, it looks correct based on the revised plans.
Lower away, steady now.
Alignment is spot on. Commence riveting.
Gap is within tolerance at station 420.
Confirmed. Lock the jigs. Careful there, Al. You've got a void right above that rivet.
I see it. Just need to smooth that out before inspection.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Steady now, keep it moving slow. This spar is the structural backbone of the wing, supporting the engine right here at this reinforced section. Easy now, bring her left just a fraction. Hold it right there, we're almost lined up on the forward mount.
That's 50 foot-pounds. Check the coupling.
Looks solid. We're clear for the pressure test.
Bring her down slowly. Watch the alignment on bay 4.
Copy that, steady now, we're almost seated.
Looks good. Lock it down. Secure the clamps.
We need to reinforce this section here before the next inspection. Ensure the tolerances match the schematic exactly.
All right, bring her up just a little more. How's that alignment look, Chuck?
Good. Get the torque wrench on that main bolt.
Pressure looks good on the gauge, B.
Roger that. Downlock's engaged. System checks out.
The massive vertical stabilizer, seen here under construction, is essential for directional stability, especially on a craft the size of the new 747. The empennage nears completion as the horizontal stabilizer is fastened. These elevators ensure precise pitch control during flight.
Torque set on the upper hinge.
Looks good from here. How are the hydraulics, Charlie?
Pressure holds steady. We are green for completion.
Here we see the meticulous process of masking. ensuring the crisp lines the complex livery demands.
Watch the clearance on the galley, bring it left.
Okay, easy now, almost there.
All right, push it forward gently. It's on the track. Hand me the wrench, let's lock it down.
Your martini, madam.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you, dear. May I get you something else, sir?
I believe I'll have another scotch.
Careful with that chair, gentlemen. It goes right next to the window, facing the bar.
We've got it positioned correctly now, sir.
All right, check the pressure on line 3. We need to make sure these connections are secure before the inspection.
Yes, sir. Almost done here. The alignment looks good on the bracket. Pass me the wrench.
Here you go. Is the threading secure? Are these connections secured to drawing 45B?
Yes, sir. Torque to spec.
Continuity looks good on the trim indicator.
All right, lock that switch in place.
Make sure the green line clears the spar, GI.
It's tight right here.
Check the schematic again. We can't crimp that bundle.
Check the torque on the B valve line.
75 foot-pounds right here on the schematic.
Check the voltage on line 3. Reading steady at 400 cycles. All right, secure that panel.
Easy with that coupling. We need to check the pressurization schematic again.
Right here, sir. It looks aligned.
Okay, hand me the impact driver. Let's secure the pack.
The emergency deployment test confirms the integrity of the oxygen system.
All masks inflated and operational.
We finally finished it.
Yeah, look at her. We did it. We are betting our company on the success of this magnificent airplane. This is the future of air travel.
Roger, turning nose wheel left. How's the clearance on 2 and 3? Looks good. Keep coming around. Status light is green, confirming systems engaged. Understood. Cycle the flaps and monitor hydraulics. Ramp, this is the flight deck. Requesting engine start clearance.
Roger, flight deck. All ground equipment clear. You are clear to start.
Roger, Seattle. Maneuver complete. She handles beautifully. Proceeding to the next test point.
The Alistad Voltituber. The altitude reading at Mach 0.8 confirms the projected efficiency.
Yes, sir. The payload calculations align. Structural...
Here is your certificate, Mr. Allen.
Thank you, John. This is a proud day for American aviation. Okay, Captain, monitor the N1 gauge closely as you increase the throttle.
N1 is stabilizing at 40%. Oil pressure is in the green.
This is unprecedented. The magnificent 747 is finally set to take off, changing air travel forever.
Look at that, a spiral staircase. It's absolutely enormous in here.
Welcome aboard, gentlemen. Enjoy the flight. Would you care for the chicken or the beef, sir?
The chicken, thank you.
The hinged nose of the 747 freighter allows for unparalleled drive-through loading of oversized cargo.
The nose loading capability of the 747 revolutionized air freight, allowing oversized cargo to be loaded with unprecedented efficiency.
Wow, look at those mountains. It's beautiful.
We finally made it. I can't wait to get to the beach.
Flight management computer engaged.
Checked.
Navigating as filed.
Watch the clearance on that line.
Okay, bringing it down slowly now.
The sound alone is incredible.
Absolutely breathtaking. Long live the Queen.
Baker's Woolies. The completion of this Atlas Air freighter marks the end of an era. The final 747.
For 54 years, the Queen of the Skies captured the world's imagination.